Each coffee bean carries a unique flavor blessed by nature. For years, we've been committed to evolving automatic coffee processing solutions, just to honor and celebrate that uniqueness. Evolution is in the DNA of Dr. Coffee, and it's happening everywhere, every day. Minimalist style, modular design, detachable components, versatile water inlets, assorted color variations, high performance, low profile. Continuous iterations not only give the machines better looks and compatibility, but also extraordinary user-friendliness and efficiency. Simplicity carries so much sophistication. Better extraction, more reliable milk pump, proprietary milk frothing, automatic temperature and time control, brand new brewing system with 21-gram container volume, evolving technologies, ceaseless pursuit of best texture and technique, define and redefine premium coffee machines. Wherever your coffee bean comes from, we are committed to originality and so much more. Evolution enables better efficiency and stability, both critical in commercial scenarios. Easier operation, faster self-cleaning, fuss-free maintenance, one machine, 32 beverages, to 600 cups per hour steady output. Dr. Coffee's versatile, high-performing solutions are designed to facilitate your success. Evolution never stops. Sincerity never changed. As an essential aspect of the evolution, the smarter operating system and ever-friendly UI bring so much ease to every task. In addition, our leading IoT technology enables effortless, intelligent operations like never before. Real-time big data analytics present more business possibilities, empowering intelligent upgrade of the entire industry. Always exploring, ever evolving. Time to evolve your business with Dr. Coffee. Dr. Coffee. Exploring coffee secrets.